guys, welcome again to my video. Today we're going to discuss the part 2 of how Baby Dutch works. Yesterday we discussed how Baby Dutch or what is Baby Dutch, the core ideas of Baby Dutch, and the Baby Dutch runs on BSc, data economics, and the reflections. Now we're going to discuss on the liquidity system. So a portion of fees goes to liquidity. There's to help maintain smooth trading and supports price stability, and there is also a portion to ensure buyer and sellers can trade smoothly. And there is also what we call burn mechanism, is where Baby Dutch regularly burns tokens. And the tokens, there's a tokens that are permanently removed. There is also reduces total supply over time and increases scarcity. And there is also called ecosystem growth. Like what we called, it is growth because it is expanding beyond meme coin. So Baby Dutch is expanding beyond a meme coin. It is NFT collections and marketplace. That is the growth of Baby Dutch. Baby Dutch Swap or DeFi platform. And there is also community tools and campaigns. That is why Baby Dutch is expanding, not just as a meme coin, but there is also called ecosystem growth. And the next one is Baby Dutch. Baby Dutch is used for holding and earning rewards. There is also community engagement, and there is also charity initiatives. And also, Baby Dutch has an advantages. There is 4 advantage of Baby Dutch. Baby Dutch has a passive income through reflections. That is the first one. Second one is strong and active community. Third one is low transaction fees. And fourth one, charity focused mission. Not just like another coin or other platforms, other investments that we do, but Baby Dutch is a charity-focused mission. So not just for themselves, but for pets that needs to help or needs to be helped. And that's all on how Baby Dutch works. Thank you. Bye-bye.